occurs. So we take in a physics analysis of sound. We're not looking at sound from a music perspective, from a music theorist perspective. Because if you look at sound from a musical perspective, you have to get into the chromatic scales, the diatonic scales, primarily the diatonic scales, which are extracted from the chromatic scales to form the musical structure in the Western Hemisphere. And, why is there a low, while E chord is a low E and a high E, is an octave. What is amplitude? What causes amplitude? What causes frequency? And when there's a force, let's take an analysis of the physics of sound on a very molecular level, on an infinitesimal level. When there's a force, this force creates an impact. Here's impact.